concert tomorrow in Seoul, but since unfortunately I can't medically transport myself there, and they're very considerate of us, there's a live viewing, so the concert is gonna broadcast to cinemas worldwide, and of course I'm gonna book tickets to go, so that's what I'm gonna do now. There are these water bottle fill stations all around uni, and I just love it. It's super convenient. So we have a 15-minute break until our next lecturer comes in. So that was the schedule looks for today. Cute. Oh. So we have all our lectures at Comham, which is good because the weather is awful, it's really cold, it's raining, so we don't have to move around. Salga!
Go. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you used to be like, Hajima. Oh.
We missed you.
We missed you, Kevin. Yay. New addition to the team. There's the uni, and here's the bus station, so pretty close. So I'm back home now. It's 3 p.m. and
3.
our friend, in case you missed her. Love soups. It's just perfect with this rainy weather. Hey, so Sunday today, Monday tomorrow. This week is study week at Bournemouth University, meaning we don't have any lectures. I still have group meetings and I've got a lot of work to do on my assignments, but still it's really good that we have this week off to focus on other things as well. Tomorrow I'm also attending the Bournemouth University Business School's Tourism and Hospitality Business Conference that is at Hilton, and it's on from 9 AM until 6 PM, I think. I haven't been in any conferences in a while, but I'm pretty excited about it actually. I think it's gonna be pretty fun. Morning. I'm good, I'm good.
Anything weird?
Ferrer?
Yeah.
Ferrer?
Yeah.
Oh, they made you friends. Thank you.
You're welcome to go in anytime.
You good?
Oh, you make a vlog.
I'm gonna make a vlog of the conference. Just thank you. What flavors do they have? Can I have some vegetarian, please?
This one?
Vegetarian. I'm gonna take. Thank you. So we got our lunch, and that's some crisps, a tuna mayo sandwich, and some water, and an apple. So we had lunch, and now there is a networking event where we're gonna go and just ask the speakers questions about their experience, any vacancies, and yeah, just network. So during the lunch break I got the chance to go over to different stalls and talk to people from the industry and general managers of hotels, ask about different vacancies they do and what they're looking for and experiences. I got some freebies. That was it for today. Bye.